hours. 2 hours I've been streaming, no one said anything about my music? Fuck, I was listening to like old school gangster rap, brother.
Your bottom tower is under attack.
Okay, I had to take it. I am a little bit annoyed. I'm a little bit annoyed because I'm in this game and I want it to end and I have to listen to DM Dota think he's good. Like, even the thought of his brain thinking he's a good player, it strikes me I feel very offended that this bot can win a game against me. But this is the only game he has beaten me. Oh, what? Oops. Okay, never mind, good. Okay, guys, you want to... Давай AFK будем. Well, there's no point. This game is done, honestly. I don't see it.
Your bottom tower is under
I think it's a W.
Did you click Klaxon?
He's gonna initiate.
Your bottom tower is under attack.
Guys, to help him.
Coming.
He takes no damage, guys.
So good duel.
So our report system actually worked. I mean, honestly, Pudge is trying his best. I don't actually have any problems with him. He recognized this game is donezo anyway, so I respect it. If I was playing support in this game, I'd pick Pudge too. I don't care. If I got Klaxon taking care offlane away from a rank 50 player going 0-5 jungling, then I would do the same. So I have no problems with him. Oh, so boring.
Your middle tower is under attack.